Hey party people, it's Savvy Soph here. I'm Sophia, and before I introduce today's video, I just wanted to mention, because we didn't mention this in our introduction video, that me and Tiffany are not always together, so some of the videos are gonna be just me or just Tiffany because we want to post pretty frequently. So back to today's video. So I made a compilation of my favorite slimes of mine just so that you guys get an idea of what the slimes are gonna be like, and yeah.